who is that particular person that you know that everybody wants to be around them? In that organization, in that home, in that environment that you are, he or she is likable, endearing to people. What is it that makes people draw closer to this particular person? They feel comfortable around this person. They feel welcome. They feel this person's presence and they appreciate this particular person. And why is it that every other person is not exactly the same? You may be thinking maybe people are favoring this person, but no. There is something this person is giving that every other person does not have. And this is what makes this person a likable person. That likable person is that particular person that people are comfortable around them. People are happy staying around them. People are eager to open up to them and confide in them. Before, I used to think that for you to be likable, maybe it's inborn. That person is born that way. But no, being likable is a habit you can cultivate, because this likable person has these qualities in him or her that makes people to like them. Yes, they are eager to connect with people. They are authentic. They are reliable. They love people. They appreciate people. They are empathetic. They are reliable. You know, these are some of the things that draws people to them. They are vulnerable. You too, you can be like this particular person, but you have to make that conscious effort to be like this person, to be endearing, to stand out everywhere that you are. People are willing to connect with you. So what are the things that you do that will make people, they want to connect with you, they want to stay around you, and they are not afraid of giving out information about them because they know that you are trustworthy? So there are some qualities that you will possess that will make people to really want to be around you. When you have this quality of self-disclosure, you don't underestimate self-disclosure. You are open to people. You are willing to open up to people. You are willing to reveal yourself to people and not hiding. You are willing to bring people into your world, to let them know who you are, to let them know your fears, to let them know some personal information about you. You know, this will make them to draw closer to you, and it will make them to open up to you. When you are telling them of your fears, your insecurities, of your goals, when you are able to interact with them and let them know most of the things about you, share some of your personal information with them, it will make them to be willing to open up to you. So when you want to be like that person that everybody wants to be around, then you know that you'll be willing to open up to people and to share some of your personal information with them. It will make them to believe in you. It will make them to know. It will make them to take you as that authentic person. You are real. You are not faking, and you are not trying to deceive them, but you draw them closer to you. It will build that trust. They will have that trust in you to be able to interact with you. So that is what you have to do if you want to be like that person, that likable person that everybody wants to be around. And again, you don't have to be judgmental. You know, when people know you as that person that you are not judgmental, you are not judging them based on their decision or actions, because you may not know why, but you come into their world, you take them as they are, you try to change them, you try to bring out the best in them, not judging them. You know, they will be willing to open up to you. They will be willing, to feel, they will be comfortable and at peace with you, at home with you. When they are with you, they know that they are in a safe place. So you don't have to be judgmental, but you try to bring out the best in people. You try to bring out the best and make them a better version of them. It will make you to be an endearing person. Then when you're a good listener, try to be a good listener. When you're a good listener, you know, people will be willing to tell you whatever that is going on in their life. When they know that you give them that attention, you give them that attention, and without having divided attention, you give them that 100% attention, you know, not when they are telling you maybe what is going on or the problem they have. You are busy with your phone, you give more attention to your phone than to that what they are discussing with you. Then we feel that you don't really care. Then we feel that you are not interested in what they are telling you, and it will piss them off and make them to not to open up to you. Then when you know that you want to be that likable person, you have to show kindness. You have to be kind, you know, be caring, be endearing. You should be moved by what people are going through. You should be that person that care about other people. Then when you are able to make use of positive body language like eye contact, it will make them to perceive you as trustworthy and reliable person. It will make them to be able to relate with you and know that truly that you care about them. So make use of that positive body language like eye contact, like smile. You know, you smile when you are relating with them and make them feel comfortable, you know. So another thing is try to know people's name. It's very important, because when somebody is able, maybe somebody you are seeing for the first time, maybe the second time, and you are mentioning that person's name, greeting that person by his or her name, the person will know that truly that you care for him or her, and they will know that you care for them and will be willing to relate with you. And you know, when you mention, when you relate with them, you open up, maybe ask open-ended questions that are relatable. They will be able to open up to you. You remind them maybe what happened yesterday. I hope you have gotten the solution. They will be able and willing to open up to you, knowing that you truly care for them. Try to know people's name and try to relate very well with them. Then you show gratitude. You appreciate people, you know, you appreciate people and show kindness to them. Then you try again to relate with people by telling stories. If you're a good storyteller, it will help you to relate with people. You know, when you are trying to explain something to them, you bring in stories. It will make it relatable. It will make them to remember you, and they want to listen to you. They want to hear more from you. They want to, you know, be closer to you. Just be mindful that you being a likable person does not only mean that you are the center of attention, but that you are closer to people. You give them attention, because attention is one of the things that we really crave for as human beings. You give them that attention and you show them that you care. You show them that you appreciate them. You show them that they really matters. You show them that they are really appreciated and valued, and that they really matters. These are some of the things that will make you to be that likable, endearing person that everybody wants to be closer to. Everybody feels comfortable being around you, and they value and appreciate you. If what I shared is what you really want to hear more of, please subscribe to my channel for more of this. And thanks for watching. Bye.